Hey team, another resource that I think could be really beneficial during this time from teaching from home would be Edpuzzle. It's just a cool program where you can record videos, post it on YouTube, and then have a playback of your video with questions along the way. So it's a really nice comprehension check for the students. I'll go ahead and share with you how that works as well, just so you have a few options and things to try out during this time. So let me share my screen. So here it is, it's Edpuzzle, and I'll kind of walk you through how to get signed up. I know many teachers at Fillmore already use Edpuzzle, so you don't need to watch this, but you would go up here to the right and you sign up just with your Google account. I have an account, so I'll go ahead and log in and show you that process. So when the students see Edpuzzle, they'll get this link as well. I'm a teacher, I'm a student, and they would choose I'm a student, and it will take them straight to the assignments we give them. But for us, we'll choose teacher and always sign in with Google. You don't need an email password, just sign in with Google. That way it links to your Google Classrooms. Now, what this is, it basically has a huge library of videos that have integrated questions along with them where students can pause and answer questions, whether it's multiple choice, true, false, open-ended. They have all those options. So let me see. We'll be doing ancient Rome next. So what I did for any subject you're teaching, you can just search it here, and there are a ton of videos for them all. Like this is really good for math as well because they'll give math problems that the students will watch and then they'll solve as the video goes on pause. So for this one, I'll just choose a pre-made Edpuzzle. So you click on one you like, and what you do is you can play it and just check out the video, and on it you'll see these little teardrops. Every teardrop you see is a question, so the video will pause and a question will pop up for the students to answer. I'll go ahead and let this play so you can see how it works in this first one. On the right, the students will see what time the questions pop up, and they're allowed to hit this rewatch button if they don't hear the answer to a question, then go back and rewatch that segment. So this is really cool. If you wanted to like do your own lessons on video and then post them to YouTube, you could then put your link in Edpuzzle, teach your lesson so the kids are watching you teach, and then you can go ahead and you can insert your own questions as if you were in class and you're stopping for knowledge checks. So as you can see right here, the video stops and it says Rome is a city that is in Italy. Where is Rome? Students would then choose their answers, submit it, and go to the next one. Now, next, so say you like this and you like the questions, you can also edit any questions you like. You can remove all of the questions, you can insert your own questions. The important part, what you would do is assign. So I want to assign this. I want the students to go and watch this video and answer the questions. So I would choose my 3 homerooms or classrooms because we departmentalize. And you can choose a due date, start dates, prevent skipping. That way students have to actually watch and listen to the videos instead of skipping to the questions. And it says to post on Google Classroom. I would hit yes. And all you do is assign, and this Edpuzzle assignment will be posted directly to the Google Classroom, and it's all self-scored. So you can see all my students here. If I were to go back to this assignment in Edpuzzle, once they all do it, it would give me all their scores, which I can then transfer straight into Gradebook. So if you want to see what it looks like on the Google Classroom side, refresh this. So I'm going to, I'll go to my class, P10, and right there on the top on the stream, it says, I posted a new assignment via Edpuzzle, Ancient Rome. And this is what the students will see. It'll give them the link. All they do is open up the link and they'll begin. They'll hit play, they'll answer the questions. As soon as they finish, they hit submit, and you will have a graded assignment with a little mini lesson in your Google Classroom. So Edpuzzle is super cool resource, and I recommend you look into it. I'll put the links here in the email I'm sharing with you guys. And again, feel free to reach out, and hopefully this helps. Yeah, have a good one. Thanks, guys.